Flip noise users, right, okay. So I haven't got a microphone connected up at the moment, so you'll have to listen through my iMac microphone. So I might sound a bit like I'm having a shower. Right, okay, so I'm going to launch live. This tutorial is just going to be very easy, a step into Ableton. When you start using Ableton, you need to set up your audio interface. A quick tutorial on how to set up your audio interface. Most of you shouldn't need this. Some of you probably who have just loaded it for the first time won't know where to go. So I'm just going to show you. Right, if you're on a Mac, you want to go to Live and Preferences. And if you're on a PC, you want to go to Options, and Preferences will be at the bottom. But for now, I'm using a Mac, so my preferences are just here. And then on the column on the left-hand side, you can choose which options you want to change. I'm interested in audio. Now then, ASIO is what you need for a PC. Core audio is what we need to select to make the latency very low. I'll explain all that in later tutorials. And the input and output device, I am using a Lexicon interface. And you will just need to choose which one you need in there. You might be choosing the built-in one. Hopefully not. Hopefully you'll have an audio interface to use. And my output device is going to be a Lexicon. You can also choose the input and out configuration. For example, my Lexicon is just left and right output, left and right input. You could also switch it to mono if you wanted to, if he's recording a microphone. And same with the output, just 1 and 2. If you had 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you could tick those on and off. It would use more processing power though. And that's all we're interested for in this particular tutorial. This buffer size is something to watch, and I'll explain all that in later tutorials. But for now, to test it out, always a good way to test it out, switch your metronome on. It doesn't matter whether all these are muted or off, you'll always hear your metronome, provided this Q out is set to 1 and 2, or 3 and 4, depending on what you've got your sound card set up for. You can hear that. I'll just test out some audio with it as well. Don't know what this is, something I must have prepared earlier. And that's it for today. So just to recap, setting up an audio interface, you need to go to File, or if you're on a PC, Options, find Preferences, find the tab which says Audio, and where it says Audio Output Device and Audio Input Device, if you're recording some audio, you need to select the correct audio interface you want to use for this project. Thank you very much.